Now the other day I showed you how to clean out a gutter. And if you haven't watched that, check out my dirty little secret, how I cleaned out that gutter. You'll be amazed if you don't know this little tip. Okay, but today, enough of that. We've got that done. Today we're going to clean out this downspout. Now you might think, oh, all you got to do is run a hose down in there from the gutter and flush it out, make sure nothing is stuck in there. But look at this. Here's the downspout, and lo and behold, it goes into a little fitting there and goes underneath the concrete sidewalk, the patio area, and it comes out over in here somewhere, and then it runs out along the side of the fence and down to the street. Now how are we going to do that? If we just leave that downspout right here and try to flush it out, what if there's a big clod or something and we get it dislodged and we get it poked down into this drain line? If we do that, it might get clogged up in there, and I don't want that. So today's project is removing this downspout. We've got to take this downspout out, and we've got to dislodge it somehow over here. Then I'm going to take it and shove the hose in it down on the ground. Okay? How are we going to do that? Now usually downspouts are attached with screws. And let me get back here a little bit further. You see right up in there? There's a bolt. There's a nut. It's got a hex head on there, and sometimes they have it screwed there or on the sides, the left and right hand side or the back. Okay, and then you go down here, and here's some more of them right there. Okay, we got to take that little bracket off, and then we've got to come down to the bottom bracket, and usually there's a bottom bracket. There it is. Let's see, there's little bolts there too. And sometimes there's screws on there, and it's really easy to undo. But how are we going to take those off? If you don't have a little ratchet set, you'll have to take a little pair of pliers or something, or a little crescent wrench. Hi, Annie Bonnie. Now see that hex head on that screw? Those are generally sheet metal screws. Now, if you have a ratchet set, you can use a little mini ratchet set or something like that. Well, I don't have one of those, and you know what? If you don't know this tip, you're gonna know it now. Here's what I'm gonna use. Kaboom! My little battery-operated drill. And here I have some little fittings. Now, sometimes they come with small little attachments. You know, little ratchet set, but this one doesn't. But this is what I'm gonna do. It's just the end to my drill. I'm gonna hook that up to the drill, and see, it has the end where I can just take any sort of Phillips head, or here's a star bit, and it fits in the end and slips out. Well, that end is the very same as the sheet metal screw heads. I don't know how they did that or how they figured that out, but yes, it does fit most of the time. Just gonna get up there. And sure enough, it fits. And that's what I'm gonna use to take those off. don't have a long enough one of these with this one, so I guess I can take that one out. And I've got, see how much longer this one is? Look at this. So I've got two of them. So I'm going to try the long one. I could maybe just leave that other one and bend it out of the way, but I want to get it out if I can. There. Easy greasy. Got a little paint over these, so I'll just have to kind of wedge it in there. Ew. That one's giving me some fits. Aha. I'm going to try the other one. This one looks like it might be just a hair smaller. We'll see. Boy, that one's in there. Wow, that was a tough one. That must have been hitting a stud. I'm at a slight angle there, so I may have to take that one off with the crescent wrench and fit it in that way. I'll get it. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.